Well, this is what happens when you use undercoating. Rubberized undercoating, that is. It's garbage. So this truck was a Southern truck. It's got rock chips everywhere from gravel. Not any rust due to salt. Go in here, it's got mud. It's got a little bit of rust on these caps. But as far as the entire inner rockers, it's all just clean metal. Just dirt. Just dirt. Even back here in these corners where they go real bad real quick, it's just dirt. The whole thing's this way. Clean metal. Lots of rock chips. Lots of missing paint. Even nothing up in here. Look at that. No rust. But the frame is really far gone. Like, it's solid. Look at all that rust due to undercoating. That rubberized garbage. See there? See, that's rubber. And what happens is, it starts to rust underneath. And then the whole frame ends up looking like this. So yeah, don't use rubberized undercoating. It's garbage. Use a wax type product or an oil based product. Heck, even spray 90 weight on your frame would do better than this. Rubber. It looks great in black when it's sprayed on, but after that it starts to flake off and all the metal has to breathe. And what happens is the metal can't breathe and it starts to get moisture under there from condensation. And so then it rusts real bad. This truck, 520,000 miles, it's got rust there. Because they're cheap, spray painted, crappy, but all this is solid. It's got some rubbing there, and I drive in the salt now, and it rusts. But I sprayed it down with oil, and the previous owner sprayed it down with oil. And here's the frame on this one. Look at that. Yeah, it's got a little bit of starting, but it's breathable. Anyway, I'm gonna get back at it.